Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's really taking off, pun intended. We're talking about the growing importance of drones in India. You know, drones or unmanned aerial systems are these incredible aircraft that operate without a pilot on board. They can be controlled remotely or even fly autonomously. It's like having a little robot in the sky. And the best part? They come with significant advantages, like quick deployment and minimal infrastructure requirements. I mean, think about it, no need for a runway.
Wow. That's super interesting. I mean, I always thought of drones as just toys or maybe for taking cool aerial photos, but they're actually being used in defense. Can you give me an example of how they're used in that context? Like, do they have cameras or something? And, I wonder if they ever get confused and fly into a tree or something? That would be a wild story.
Oh, absolutely. They're equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that can gather intelligence from a distance. For instance, during border patrols, drones can fly over sensitive areas and provide real-time data to military personnel. It's like having an eye in the sky that can see things we can't from the ground. And believe it or not, they're designed to avoid obstacles. But there have been instances where they've had close calls with trees or even birds. It's a bit like playing a video game where you have to dodge obstacles while trying to complete your mission.
Oh, that's so cool. So it's like the military has their own little flying spies. Do you think this could help with food shortages or something? Like, if they can monitor crops better, could that lead to more food being produced? And Hman, I wonder if there are any funny stories about drones in agriculture? Like, do they ever accidentally spray the wrong field or something?
Great question. Yes, by using drones, farmers can identify issues like pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies much earlier, which can definitely help increase yields and combat food shortages. It's like having a superpower for farmers. As for funny stories, there have been instances where drones have accidentally sprayed the wrong field, leading to some hilarious situations. Imagine a farmer coming out to find their neighbor's garden getting a surprise pesticide shower. It's a reminder that while technology is amazing, it's not foolproof.
Oh my gosh, yes! That's like something out of a comedy. Do you think drones could ever replace traditional rescue teams? Like, if they can find people faster, would that mean fewer human rescuers are needed? And, what about privacy concerns? I mean, if drones are flying around, could they accidentally invade someone's privacy?
That's a valid concern. While drones can significantly enhance search and rescue operations, they're not likely to replace human rescuers entirely. There's something about human intuition and empathy that machines just can't replicate, but they can definitely assist in making operations more efficient. As for privacy, yes, that's a hot topic. Many countries, including India, are working on regulations to ensure that drone operations respect people's privacy. It's a balancing act between leveraging technology for good and protecting individual rights. It's like walking a tightrope, exciting, but requires careful navigation.
That makes sense. It's like they're trying to find the sweet spot between innovation and privacy. Wow, that's so inspiring. It's like the government is saying, let's get creative and build the future together. Do you think we'll see drones delivering packages like in those sci-fi movies? I mean, that would be wild. And, what other fields do you think drones could revolutionize?
Absolutely. We're already seeing companies experimenting with drone deliveries, especially in logistics and healthcare. Imagine a drone delivering your medicine right to your doorstep. It's like having a personal courier in the sky. As for other fields, drones are making waves in environmental monitoring, urban development, and even entertainment. They're being used for everything from monitoring wildlife to creating stunning light shows. The possibilities are endless. It's an exciting time to be involved in this technology, and I can't wait to see where it goes next.
That's amazing. I can totally picture a drone flying in with my pizza. Laughs. But, do you think there are any risks involved with all this drone technology? Like, could they ever malfunction and cause accidents?
Great point. Like any technology, drones do come with risks. Malfunctions can happen, and that's why regulations and safety measures are so important. It's like driving a car. You need to follow the rules of the road to keep everyone safe. The industry is constantly working on improving safety protocols to minimize these risks.
That's reassuring. It's like they're building a safety net for all this innovation. I can't wait to see how drones will change our lives in the future. Sigh. It's just so fascinating.